over and cut it loose.
Oh man, pop out, yeah.
I mean, you know, God, you ain't got no business fighting. Ain't nobody got no business fighting them.
But
the dude was beating him up, man.
Yeah, this ain't like back in the day.
No, this is on the
take that. You know what I'm saying? This ain't like back in the day. You take her with me and come back. No. They watch too much of TV. They want to go back and pop trunk on them.
But the dude that shot him is the one that was beating the shit out of him.
Hold on.
Yeah.
So the one who you didn't whoop his ass, you didn't have to put out a gun.
No, he didn't get through. He was just beating him up. He was on the pup.
And then
in the classroom.
And he the one who put out the gun.
And when he got through beating on him, he ran out the door. The nigga come out. I don't know where he got the gun from, but he come out. The nigga got around the corner and that hard. The nigga cut loose. Pow, pow. Yeah.
And then put it up. And then kept running.
Went on, young dude, man. Boy, that's school, man. He going to school. You hear me?
This is crazy.
That's what they need, the Secret Service. Somebody with knowledge. That ain't just no security job.
That's why I be talking about, man. Security, police, they don't, police, security, whoever you is, you're supposed to be the first responders. Not no waiting for backup, man. This is for safety. You put, hey, your job is to put your life first.
You know where that come from? That stuff that happened, they got all the kids got killed.
You don't supposed to call away from no backup. You supposed to carry your ass.
You see how them folks say,
let's go.
Them folks stayed out there some hours and stuff.
And they all now got chewed out now. They like they got charged.
Ain't no telling you probably looking up on your phone.
Running up in there. Don't give a damn. You supposed to be like that other one who saved them people at that mall.
No people stayed outside too.
Where he at?
19 children got killed, man.
Man, that shit sad, man. And then they had, man, like I say, people just got this job now as security and police just to ride on that clock because they know really ain't shit gonna pop off. But when she do pop out, look what they do. They wait for backups. They don't try to sit there and try to go help, be the first one to, hey, help? No,
I believe that boy.
They ain't got the right training no more. They just sitting on the clock. Oh, wait for backup. Okay, I'm gonna wait for backup.
I believe that boy. They got a good program going though in Texas.
Yeah,
he over. I think it's 1,800. He over all the schools in Texas.
Well, shit, I know gonna pop off. He gonna pop off right then. Shit, he said he used to say the president.
Somebody finna be caught.
Thumbs up for
somebody finna be caught.
It's going down.
It's got a weapon at
it's going down.
You hear me?
Yeah, they won't even be able to pull that bitch out. Shit, cause now they already got classes. With now the teacher finna have a damn gun. By the time he get this shit ready, the teacher gonna be able to use a gun. So really, it ain't gonna be shit going on. Regular school gonna be like college. The teacher gonna have a pistol.
Hey.
They're gonna be open carry. I wish you would run your ass crazy up because these kids now they be acting like they running
school
shit.
Teacher, Mike. Trey.
Yeah.
Okay. He's a school teacher.
That what's up?
Yeah, he told me, he said, Jim, he said, them young be getting off in there too. Yeah,
I bet they do hard headed ass.
Yeah, he said, man, yeah. He said they be trying to fight and everything. He a good teacher somewhere.
That's what
he tell me about them kids. And then I had another cousin out there, man. She teach at Roosevelt.
Hey, that's what's up, true.
Yeah. I had an auntie, she did. Well, her sister, I think she worked right here at Molina.
Oh shit.
Yeah, she worked right there in Molina. It's on obituary.
Wow, Shakita said if you kill somebody drunk driving, you heard that?
Yeah, you pay child support.
You heard that?
Yeah.
Supposed to be going through.
They done passed the law.
Yeah, they supposed to.
September, when they passed the law, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that's good. That's why I was fussing at the girl. I'm like, man, that's good.
Say, did you see that woman?
They need to stop all that drunk driving,
Did you see that woman had the DWI today run over them folk?
Oh, no.
Right here. They put her ass in jail.
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Damn.
Today, I said, damn, but she already got 2 DWI. And she done hit and killed this man.
Oh.
Now her ass in jail.
Yeah. You don't. When you're a certain age, you can't be doing some
one
shit.
One thing about it, she white. Yeah.
Oh, well, she already too old. That might give her 10 years because she already old as this.
No, but you know what?
They gonna try to get
I'm gonna tell you
they gonna try to lean on her.
You know what? DWI.
That's weak.
Shit, I hear people say they'd rather have a murder case.
Yeah, than a DWI. Yeah, they don't like that. That's the baddest offense right now.